Hi, I'm Wellguru, and I'm here to share a complete list of sleep tips to help you rest better. Block out external noise. Make sure your room is dark. Keep your feet warm. Keep your head cool. Avoid heavy meals late at night. Limit or avoid alcohol. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Be active and exercise during the day. Get morning sunlight exposure early in the day. Avoid work at least 2 hours before sleep. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. A mild carb snack before bed is okay. Don't go to bed very hungry. Limit water intake 1 hour before sleep. Calm your mind, avoid racing thoughts. Avoid negative news, arguments, or emotional stress before bed. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Don't force sleep. If you can't sleep, don't watch the clock. Get up, reset, and return. Sleep on your side, preferably the left. Avoid long naps during the day. A brief cold shower before bed is okay. Elevate your head slightly while sleeping. Reduce electromagnetic field exposure. Support your gut health at night. Gut bacteria affect melatonin. Take prebiotics, fiber, fermented foods, or a quality probiotic. A calm gut creates a calm brain. Try the scent anchor technique. Use a specific scent only at bedtime to train your brain to associate it with sleep. Scents like lavender, sandalwood, vetiver, or chamomile can help calm the nervous system and reduce cortisol levels. Try magnesium or tart cherry juice. L-theanine, magnesium, and glycine help calm the brain at night. Consider Ayurvedic bedtime tonics like ashwagandha with warm milk to balance the system. Try a magnesium foot soak with Epsom salt. Use Ayurvedic bedtime oiling, for example sesame oil on feet or scalp. Practice gratitude at bedtime. Keep your bedroom dedicated only to sleep. Keep your phone out of the bedroom. Avoid mouth breathing, breathe through the nose. Use the 4-7-8 breathing technique, inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Try acupressure or foot massage. Learn the marma points of Ayurveda to promote sleep. Press the sleep marma points above your eyes. Listen to calming frequencies. Try 7.83 Hz, Schumann resonance, Tibetan bowls, or rain sounds to reduce anxiety. Yawn intentionally to stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system. Use heart rate variability tools to measure sleep readiness. Watches and rings can help. Be aware of ancestral sleep patterns. Waking up around 3 a.m. is normal, just return to sleep naturally. Align with moon cycles, sleep may feel lighter around the full moon. During waxing phases, energy rises. During the waning moon, the body seeks deeper rest. Observe how your sleep shifts with the lunar rhythm. Use a mantra or sleep affirmation, program your subconscious. Whisper, "Tonight, I sleep deeply." Wake up naturally if possible. Use sleep cycles, not alarms when you can. Upon waking, look toward natural light immediately. Monitor your vitamin D levels. Learn how melatonin works and how to support its natural production. Wear blue light blocking glasses after sunset. Observe the shift from day to night. Create evening rituals to support the transition. Apply common sense and feng shui principles. Place your bed with a solid headboard against a wall. Position it so you can see the door, but it's not directly in line with it. Keep space under the bed clear to allow energy to flow. I hope this was useful. If you have any question, drop a comment and I will come back with more explanation. I am Wellguru. Sleep well tonight.